So find the slope of the curve, equation of tangents line, and equation of normal line of C is equals to 5 minus 2x raised to 3 at x equals 1. So first, let's write down the equation. C equals 5 minus 2x raised to 3 cube at x plus 1. Yun yung given natin. So, what we're gonna do is, hahanapin muna natin ang ating slope of the curve, which is yung m. Sunod na natin ang equation of tangent and equation of normal line. So, to find the slope of the curve, m is equal to the first derivative, or the c prime. Do you have any? So, the first derivative of 5 minus 2x is gamitan natin. Parang chain rule siya. First is yung outer, which is 3 times 5 minus 2x squared na lang siya. Next naman is yung inner, which is yung constant ng 5, meaning 0. At ang derivative ng 2x is equals to c prime is equals to 3 times 5 minus 2x squared times negative 2. And then, negative 2 times 3, since sa labas sila, is negative 6. Multiplied sa 5 minus 2x squared. So, ayan. Malapit na natin makuha ang slope of the curve ng c is equals 5 minus 2x cube. Gagawin natin is, i-insert natin yung x equals 1 sa first, sa negative 6 times 5 minus 2x squared natin. Here is negative 6 times 5 minus 2. Tapos, ang value ng x is equals to 1 times 1, then squared. Which is equals naman sa negative 6, 5 minus 2 times 1 squared is just 3 squared. So, now, multiply natin. Squared natin si 3, which is 9. And then, multiply na natin siya kay negative 6 equals to negative 54. So now, we have our c prime, or our slope of the rm slope of the curve, which is negative 54. Ang next naman na kukunin natin now, since wala pa tayong y1, yung y natin, kukunin muna natin siya. Ang gagawin natin is i-input lang natin ang x is equal to 1 natin sa ating function na 5 minus 2x cube. So, c is equal to 5 minus 2 times 1 cube. And 5 minus 2 times 1 is still 2. Then root our cube. So, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 cube. And 3 cube naman is 3 times 3 is equal to 9 times 3 is 27. That is our y. So now, let us solve for our equation of our tangent line. The formula for this equation is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m, our slope, multiplies x minus x sub 1. Gagawin na natin here is, substitute natin yung mga value. So, y minus our value, y sub 1 is equal to 27. Then equal to our slope, negative 54, multiply sa x and x sub 1, which is 1. Next is rewrite natin. And then negative 54 is distribute sa x minus 1, which is negative 54x plus negative times negative plus 54 na siya. So, ang nangyari is transpose natin si negative 27 dito sa kabila para matira si y. Ang nangyari ay y is equal to negative 54x plus 54. Since negative to kabila, magiging positive ang 27 natin, di ba? So, plus 27. So, y is equal to negative 54x plus 54 plus 27 is equal to 81. And that is the equation of our tangent line. Next naman is kunin natin ang equation ng ating normal line. Almost same lang sila ng formula with tangent line. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to, ito lang ang pinagkaiba nila, negative 1 over our slope m multiply sa x minus x sub 1. So, ayan, substitute y minus 27 is equal to negative 1 and our slope negative 54 times x and our x sub 1, which is 1. So, ayan. Negative 27, rewrite, and then distribute. Since both negative sila, magiging positive sila. 1 over 54 na lang. Multiply sa x, then x, then sa negative. So, positive 1 over 54 times negative 1 is balik siya sa negative 1 over 54. Ngayon naman dyan is lipat naman natin ulit si 27 sa kabila para matira si y. So y, 1 over 54x minus 1 over 54 from negative to positive plus 27 na. And y is equal to 1 over 54x and 1 over 54 plus 27 is, so ang negative 1 over 54 plus 27 is equal to 26 and 53 over 54. But now, ang x is pwede natin ilagay sa taas, 54. So y is equal to x over 54 plus 26 and 53 over 54. And that is our normal line. Equation for our normal line. Thank you for listening.